Okay, welcome to yet another video on this series on how to use ChatGPT or any other generative AI model to write your chapter 1. So we are covering section by section of your chapter 1, and today we are going to talk about using this prompt, this research paper prompt, to write your chapter 1.2 statement of problem. How do you write your statement of problem with AI? That's what we are going to cover today. Now, this is the prompt we are going to be using. As you can see it, this is instruction to the AI, the first section. And then you can pause and read through. And then we have the structural requirement, as you can see. And then we have the chapter-specific instruction for chapter 1.2 statement of the problem. As you can see, you can pause to view and copy. Now, that's it. And without wasting much of your time, we are going to copy this straight into our ChatGPT. We'll copy this and we'll paste it into our ChatGPT. All right, so we'll run it. As the case may be, it will ask us a few questions. As you can see, your research is asking you to provide your research topic, case study, target population, data collection method, types of study, referencing style, whether it's a PA, MLA, Chicago, or any other. Now, we've already answered most of this question here. Topics here remain gender difference in life event stress and workers' productivity, Onoshimili, South Delta State. Now, case studies, Oshimili, South Delta, and the rest. So we paste this here, as you can see it. Now, and then we run it. In the next few minutes, it's going to start writing. Can you see this is a statement of problem? This is a statement very accurate, very accurate, very accurate, very accurate. Now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well, because you are missing a whole lot. You are missing a whole lot. Subscribe to our channel. If you have any topic you want us to cover or anything you don't understand concerning your research, we are research consultant for institutional research, academic research of any level with our PhD, thesis, dissertation. If you have problem, if you want us to help you out, I get him not really to write, but we can help you out 80% or thereabout. We can help you out. We can help you do, yes, with a citation verification to ensure they exist, as we do for different books, and a research proposal. We can help you in any form of research, give you any form of research assistance. And then we're also giving out these prompts. We are the developers of My Word AI, one of the best and almost the first globally AI application with over 200,000 subscribers. Is purely an AI platform for academic research. You can also use the tool. We are actually not testing our prompt. Our prompt is concise and correct, because we are lifting it directly from My Word AI, as you can see. So it's very accurate. We are just looking at ways of giving back to the public. So enjoy the prompt. You can pause it. Can pause it and copy it. You can pause it, copy it, we don't mind. We also help people develop softwares, especially AI related softwares of any kind. If you can imagine it, we can do it, as we always say. So thank you so much. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. If you have any topic you want us to cover, do not hold back. A problem half shared is a problem shared is a problem half solved. Where we have smart people on ground. We have very intelligent people on ground, well experienced in this field, tech field, academic field, and the rest. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please do subscribe. Thank you.